Your mind is the most powerful tool you will ever own. But here's the truth. If you don't control your mind will control you. Napoleon Hill said, "What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." The first step to controlling your mind is awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts, because every success and every failure starts with a single thought. Second, replace negative thoughts immediately. The moment your mind says, "I can't do this," you must respond, "I am learning, I am growing, I will figure it out." Your mind listens to your words. So, speak with confidence, even when you don't feel it yet. Third, give your mind a clear purpose. A mind without direction becomes weak and confused. Write down your goal. Read it every day. Feel it as if it is already achieved. Fourth, control what you feed your mind. What you watch, what you hear, who you listen to, all of it shapes your thinking. Feed your mind with knowledge, discipline, and belief. Finally, remember this. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant fear, you will grow excuses. If you plant faith, you will grow success. Control your mind, and you will control your future.